Use the binomial theorem to write the first three terms of the binomial. Okay, so I'm going to start by making Pascal's triangle. Adding the numbers in between, adding down, 1 and 1 is 2, 1 and 2 is 3, 1 and 2, whoops, is 3, 1 and 3 is 4, 3 and 3 is 6, 1 and 3 is 4, 1 and 4 is 5, 6 and 4 is 10, 6 and 4 is 10, 5, 1 and 5 is 6, 5 and 10, 15, 10 and 10, 20, 10 and 5, 15, 1 and 5, 6. That's what we need because sixth power, there's the 6 coefficient for 6. So there's our coefficients. Let's put those in the front first. So 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. And now, so there's the coefficients. Now we take the first term, x to the 5th, and we're going to start what power? Whatever power is up there, 6th. And then the first term to the 5th. And then the first term to the 4th, to the 3rd, to the 2nd, to the 1st, it's a 5 there, and to the 0. And then you grab the second term, which is the square root of y, to the 0. So it goes opposite. You start with 0, 1, 2, it goes up, right? The second term goes the opposite direction. It goes up. There we go. Okay. Now they want us to crank out the first three terms. So the first term is going to be 1. X to the 5th to the 6th. You multiply those. Powers outside parentheses, multiply powers inside. It's x to the 30th. Square root of y to the 0. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So that's just x to the 30th. All right, let's do the second term. Second term is 6. X to the 5th, you multiply those powers. That's x to the 25th. Square root of y to the 1 is just square root of y. So I guess that's the second term. There's really nothing more to do there. First term, second term, and now for the third term. 15 times x to the 5th to the 4th, that's x to the 20th, those powers multiply. Square root of y squared, that's plain y, isn't it? Right? Plain y, because the squaring cancels the rooting. So there's the third term. So the three terms are x to the 30th, 6x to the 25th root y, and 15 x to the 20th plain y. Like that. So there are, and they want the first three terms. So there are the first three terms. Just like that. There we go.